Good morning, everybody. It's a bright and early 6:45 a.m. my time. Seems like the perfect time to introduce you to today's lovely sponsor, Zerfic Skincare. I've been using their Mangosteen collection. Y'all, okay, first I gotta secure the bun and prep the tools, then I'll tell you all about them. This is my trusty dusty facial brush. It literally has every kind of brush head you could ever want. I usually just use the softest brush because my skin is really sensitive. Of course, you gotta wet the face. Splish splash that all over. Do a quick little rub-a-dub-dub. Y'all, let me tell you, my skin is beyond sensitive, so I'm really picky when it comes to skincare. Zerfic Skincare has done a remarkable job on their Mangosteen collection. There's no dyes, perfumes, sulfates, or parabens. It's completely vegan, cruelty-free, literally 100% ethical skincare. The formula is not only exfoliating, but very hydrating actually. My skin feels squeaky clean without feeling stripped of all of its natural oils, and the exfoliation is light enough that it can be used for everyday use. It's a perfect two-in-one in my opinion. My baby hairs are being wild this morning. Can try to tame them, but eh. Now prepping for the next steps. Question: do you guys roll or fold your towels? Leave a comment down below, I gotta know. I get these cotton pads from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love them. As the toner suggests, it is quite hydrating. The mangosteen fruit has a lot of healing and antioxidant properties that have helped rebalance my combination skin and shrink my pores. Thank God. The toner cleans out any remaining bacteria and prevents any more from growing, all while keeping the skin barrier intact. Blackheads are no more with this toner, y'all. Now the propolis serum is the star of the show. You can use code SVO20 for 20% off and also get free shipping on orders $50 or more. The link will be in the description box down below. I swear to you, this stuff is magic. It legit brought my skin back to life. For those that don't know, propolis is actually made by honeybees. It's the so-called glue that they make to establish their hives and honeycombs. You literally cannot get any more natural than that. We can never forget moisturizer. I really like how you can build the moisture with this. Some days my skin needs a little bit extra, but I don't like to feel greasy, so this is a great daily moisturizer. Gonna top off the skincare with my Holy Grail sunscreen. I'm very keen on protecting my skin from the sun. Clearly, I'm a vampire, so it's essential. A huge thank you to Zerfic Skincare for keeping my skin healthy and sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to use code SVO20 for 20% off. Now that our skincare is taken care of, let's officially begin the vlog.
Ponyo, are you excited to go to the beach? Yeah? Oh, yeah. Very excited. Yeah, guys, so today we are going to the beach. We're gonna go to the Huntington dog beach. It's been a while and the weather is finally getting nice. Even though it just randomly started raining like 2 minutes ago, it stopped, but it's like almost 100 degrees and it literally just started raining. Full drops, I might add. The beach weather seems to still be nice, so we're gonna go check it out. So yeah, let's get to it. Got set up and everything. It's actually a lot busier than I was expecting it to be, which is perfectly fine because Ponyo loves playing with the other dogs. And the rain has completely cleared up and it's a beautiful day at the beach, so I'm actually happy that we came out. I was a little scared there, but the weather forecast says it's gonna be sunny for the rest of the day, which is amazing. Also, hopefully you guys can still hear me. It's really windy right now. You know, typical beach footage, it's always like that. But yeah, I can't wait to have a great beach day. I'm excited.
got